You know that feeling when you get lost in the world of social media? The endless scrolling, the addictive content, and the hours fly by without you even realizing it. Imagine if learning could be just as addictive as social media. Imagine if every time you picked up your phone, you were eager to expand your knowledge, to acquire new skills, and to engage with educational content. In this video, we are going to unveil the secrets of making learning as addictive as social media, revolutionizing the way we acquire knowledge. Step 1. Make it visually compelling. Just like social media, learning must be visually engaging. High-quality graphics, animations, and videos can captivate your attention and make the learning process as addictive as your favorite social media app. Step 2. Personalization is key. Just like social media algorithms tailor content to our interests, personalized learning experiences can make learning feel tailor-made for our individual needs. Customizable learning paths and personalized recommendations ensure that every lesson captures your attention. Step 3. Gamify the learning experience. Social media is full of challenges, competitions, and achievements that keep us hooked. By integrating game-like elements, such as badges, points, and leaderboards, learning becomes addictive and fun. Step 4. Keep it bite-sized. Social media content is delivered in bite-sized pieces, perfect for our busy lives. Learning should follow suit. Short, focused lessons that can be consumed on the go allow us to incorporate learning seamlessly into our daily routines, just like scrolling through social media. Step 5. Foster a sense of community. Social media thrives on connections and community engagement. By creating online learning communities, forums, and discussion spaces, learning becomes more interactive and collaborative, just like the social media platforms we love. By incorporating these 5 steps, we can make learning just as addictive as social media. The possibilities are endless, from mastering new skills, gaining knowledge about diverse topics, to expanding our horizons. Learning will no longer be a chore but an exciting and immersive experience. So go ahead, unlock your full potential, and indulge in the addictive world of learning. Get ready to become addicted to knowledge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about making learning as addictive as social media. Together, we can revolutionize the way we acquire knowledge and empower millions around the world.